So if you want to buy Anchor Protocol crypto, you can buy it from Binance for trading or from get.io for trading. So today we will talk about the Anchor Protocol cryptocurrency. Here you can see that the current price of Anchor Protocol is $0.1302, and if you want to buy one Anchor Protocol, then you need to give 0.13 United States dollar. Talking about trading volume and price change, you can see here trading volume of Anchor Protocol is down with 50.65%, but price change is up with 1.35%. From here we can see that Anchor Protocol hasn't performed well in the last 24 hours. So if you want to trade in Anchor Protocol, so be serious about that, okay? Do a proper analysis before investing in Anchor Protocol, because from trading volume also we can assume that how the crypto will perform in near future. Talking about market rank of Anchor Protocol is 390, and it can reach to a market rank of 385 very soon according to some expert, and the price can be reached to $0.1500 very soon. But for that, trading volume need to be good. And if you want to have investment in any cryptocurrency, do a proper market research. Thanks for watching my video related to Anchor Protocol current price chart cryptocurrency.